All right, let's see what Keegan's doing today. Hey, Keegan. What you up to?
Working on a engine that custom brought in an A6. I got thrown in reverse going down the freeway.
It got thrown in reverse?
Yeah,
that's crazy.
By their dog or something.
Yeah?
And it threw a rod through the block.
Yeah?
So
Left little pieces.
yeah, we've got to put a trans and a motor in it.
So what's this? Brand new
Our
motor?
Motor, brand new.
This is our old setup.
Pulling parts off of it.
Yeah?
Pretty bad. I'll show you the valve. You can see some chunks of stuff. It actually went in reverse and threw stuff through the
Whoa,
intake
that's pretty
manifold.
crazy. There's pieces of piston that came through the intake.
Yeah.
Probably because the engine turned backwards because it was, carnage. Don't throw your car in reverse going down the freeway.